Hi, welcome to Trendy Output YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to make BBQ style prawns on charcoal grill. Let's start the preparation. First take 1 kg prawns. Next add 2 spoons red chili powder. Next add half tablespoon turmeric powder. Next add 1 tablespoon garam masala powder. Add half teaspoon chaat masala. Next add 50 grams tandoori masala. Now add some kasturi methi. Add some salt according to your taste. Now add 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Next add 5 tablespoon hot oil. I am adding sunflower oil. Finally add 150 grams barbecue sauce. Now mix it well. Now marinate for 6 hours. Let's wait for 6 hours. Now wait for few minutes. After some time, now turn the screw. Now apply some butter. The grilled prawns are ready. Now place it in plate and serve it.